Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of calories burned on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our device, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the current watch face, the home screen, to open the menu. After you open the menu, you can tap on Health option to open the Samsung Health menu or app. And here you can tap on daily activity, and right here we have the amount of calories burned during a day. You can also scroll down and we have the whole graph for the daily progression. You can also go back and if you close this up and open the widget right here, so basically on the home screen, if you swipe left, you will open the list of widgets, and the first widget should be the activity, and here we have the also graph for the calories, and you can tap on this widget to open the more stats to check the detailed stats if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the amount of calories burned on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.